Hello children, this is video 4. We'll just do 2 sums of by solving by elimination method. So we'll try to remember solving by elimination method. So one example I am going to take here now. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So these are the two equations which we are going to remember now how to solve them by elimination method. See, x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Elimination means we should try to get rid of one variable we should try to get rid of, and that too we should see without changing the sign, whether we can cancel. All that you have to observe. See, for example, now plus y is here there is minus 3y. Now plus minus means it will cancel if you try to get 3 here, 3y at the top, because plus 3y minus 3y will just cancel afterwards. So what you should do is you should write here multiply by 3. So that we'll get 3 here. Multiply by 3. But you should not multiply by 3 only this term. You have to multiply this term also by 3, that also by 3. Multiply means you have to multiply the whole equation by 3. Now, sometimes the second equation also has to be multiplied for some problems. By some number you may have to multiply. But here, the second equation has already got there 3 only, minus 3 is there, and here plus 3. So we need not multiply the second equation by any number because we have already got 3 there. So what we should do is leave it like that only. Let us let us multiply the first equation by 3 now. So 3x, therefore 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. Second equation I'll write as it is. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now what happens here? Plus 3y minus 3y. Now they cancel each other. We got rid of one variable there, and just because we didn't change the sign and it cancelled automatically, that means we are adding the two equations. The meaning is we are adding the two equations. If we don't change the sign, that means we are adding. If we change the signs, that means we are subtracting. If we change the signs now, in order to get rid of one variable, the meaning is we are subtracting the two equations. And if we don't change the sign and it will cancel without changing the sign, that means you are adding. So you have to add the other two. Of course, you should know the rules of signs. Plus 3x plus 2x is plus 5x. 5x is equal to 15 plus 4, 19. You may get a fraction. There is no problem there. So x is equal to 19 by 5. That may be the answer. So 19 by 5. And suppose you want to get y now, that may also be a fraction only. Can't say. So if you want now the value of y, what you should do, substitute the value of x in 1. Value of x in 1. In 1 means the very first equation, first and 2, before multiplying by 3, that will be simpler. That will be simpler equation. That's why what we'll do there is, we'll substitute there only, substitute the value of x in 1. So 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Write it, where there is x, you write 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore, what I can do is, y is equal to 5 minus 19 by 5. Okay. Then what happens? 5 is the LCM there. 5 5s are 25 minus 19, which is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 by 5. So 6 by 5 we got the answer. and that is the value of y. Now if you want to verify whether your answer is correct or not, let us do the verification work. Verification is what? X plus y should be 5 there. So let's see whether we'll get it. Okay. X plus y is equal to 5. X is 19 by 5 plus y is 6 by 5. Now that is equal to, see LHS I am doing, I should get the right hand side which is equal to 5 now. So this is LHS. Verification I am doing. So I'll take the LCM 5. So 19 plus 6, this is 25 by 5, and when you cancel you are getting 5, which is your RHS. So this is the sum of elimination method means like this. So you should try to get the same coefficient for any one variable, and little without changing the sign, whether you can, sometimes you may not, you may have to change the sign in order to get rid of it. Sometimes it happens. So it depends upon the problem. That's all. Okay. Now elimination method, I did one simple sum, but suppose there were some statement problems also. You must be, because they give for 3 marks statement problems. So suppose now statement problems will do it, but before that we'll do one more sum. See now, 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 is one equation. 9x minus 2y, 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. This is another equation. So 2 equations when they give like this, you must be able to do it now. Okay. So 3x minus 5y, now let us write in order according to how to solve the equations. What we do, we put the number to the other side now. So 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. The first equation we wrote in this manner. Okay. Then 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay. Now what you can do in this problem, you have to observe little. You see here, you can get, now this 3x, you can make it 9x. So 9x is already here. So try to get 9x there also. Then you can get rid of x by changing the sign. If it is 1 plus and 1 minus, then only it will change. So it will cancel. So in order to cancel, you have to change the sign here. So we are subtracting. That is the meaning here. Just now I told you. If you don't change the sign and they cancel by themselves, that means you are adding. And if you change the sign and they will cancel, then you are subtracting. But before that, I have to make the coefficient of x same. 3x means I can make it 9 by multiplying by 3. So multiply by 3. You should write here. The full equation you have to multiply by 3, I told you. So therefore multiplying by 3, I will get the first equation like this. 3 3s are 9x, 3 5s are 15y, 3 4s are 12. Okay. The second equation I'll write as it is. 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now what I should do? Plus 9x is there. They won't cancel unless you change the sign. So I change the sign here minus, but I can't change the sign only of this term. I have to change the sign of the full. Only this, this one. So plus minus. See, this was before only plus. Now you are changing it to minus. Now these two will cancel. I am making you remember. Of course, it might not have been done very in detail or something, March. Because you were also not so, just you had finished the exams, you might not have taken much interest there. But now you have to take interest, you have to be thorough in this chapter. So minus 13y is equal to minus 15 plus 2. So it is minus 13. It is equal to 12 minus 7, that means 5. So plus 5. So plus 5 and 9x. Yes, 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Yeah, correct. Now I just checked whether I wrote it correctly or not. Now what I'll do is minus 13y is equal to 5. No. So I want y. I don't want minus y or something. So I will change the sign. I don't want here minus. So if I change the sign here, I have to change the sign here also. I have taught you this in arithmetic progression lesson. So 13y is equal to 5 minus 5. Because when I am changing this to plus, there I have to change minus. So minus. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Minus y by 13. Okay. Then so by substituting. By substituting the value of y. If I have done any mistake, that's why I am just checking here. 3 5s are 3 4s are 12. Yeah, correct. Okay. Let's see now. Then I will substitute. I will take the simple equation. The very first one I will take. 3x minus 5y means 5 into y minus 5 by 13 is equal to 4. So 3x, please see, and you will get minus into minus plus 25 by 13, it is equal to 4. So 3x is equal to 4 minus 25 by 13. And then 13 is the LCM. 13 4s are 52 minus 13 cancels 25 there you will get, and this is equal to 12 minus 5 is 7, then 27 by 13, but that is 3x equal to. So now x is equal to 27 by 13. This 3 will come down here. So 3 1s are 3 9s are. So the answer is 9 by 13. X is equal to 9 by 13. You may get fractions. Sometimes the fraction values you may get for x and y. Now x is this. Now what I'm going to do is I'll do here verification. Whether my answer is correct or not, I wanted to see. Now 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. This is a equation. So 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5 into y. Y is minus 5 by 13. This should be equal to 4 now. Let's see. 27 by 13 minus into minus plus 25 by 13. So now 13 is the LCM there. 27 plus 25, which is equal to 52 by 13, and they cancel and you get 4. So the answer what we got is correct. So the x value is 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So two sums I just showed you. That's not enough, but of course you must practice and learn now. Elimination method, different ways there will be for different sums. To make the same coefficient. Okay, so I am going to stop now. It is already 14 minutes. I will stop. Okay.